This is the elevator here at Boscovs at Deptford Mall in Deptford, New Jersey. It's been a long time. I know many of y'all have requested this, but unfortunately, it's been modernized by Kone. Alright. It's coming down now. See, this used to be an Otis Lexan. Here's your elevator sign. Here it is. See, they remodeled the interior and it is hideous. Going up?
Yes.
Which floor? 2.
Sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Thank you.
The close button works. Still has the original cab based on that door track. Again, this is an absolutely hideous snap cab. And also this elevator is labeled wrong. First floor should be the main floor. Hopefully nobody's waiting for it.
I know.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh my God. And she was very hurt because some of the kids were putting on her fat in school, except for those grade ones.
Why? They're poor, right?
I'm gonna try it again. Again, this is a horrible modernization. It's going all the way upstairs. These water fountains, I don't know if they work or not. Yeah, they work. I'm not going to try and go for the free. There are way too many employees.
Yeah.
Alright, let's listen to the motor. I'll end the video on 2. I'll have to say, nice going, Boscovs. You destroyed another irreplaceable chunk of history. There's the main hall station. There it goes, and that's it.